Hey, hi, mabuhay! Welcome back to the adventures of Mr. Jewels. As always, I am Victoria. So, I'm sorry, first off the bat, I'm not wearing any makeup. I think only skincare. I didn't even bother putting on my sunscreen because I don't have intention of going out. But today is an exception because I got my package from Beauty Bay. I did a haul. I purchased some and I'm excited. And since it's mostly skincare, I decided like, okay, Victoria, why don't you just go on camera holding your scissors and do an unboxing video with you guys. I haven't done this for the longest time. And so, if you want to know what I purchased from Beauty Bay, stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's get started. Okay, this is so unusual of me filming without anything on my face. I guess I have to um push myself a little bit back because this is a huge box. It's not that I purchased a lot of things, but I don't know why they put it in a huge box. Beauty Bay actually they do ship to Singapore, and I love their site because it would usually just take like 1 week or 2 weeks the most. It depends on what you purchase. So let's open them up. I'm excited because there are some things that I purchased here that actually I don't need, just because either I have, I should just put it on my lap. It's either I've always been wanting to buy it, or I don't know why I purchased it. But I do purchase some of my skincare from Beauty Bay. Yeah, so when you receive it, it's going to be like this. And oh my goodness, just throw it on my bed. And when you open it up, it's like this. So there's not a lot of things in here, but they do have a huge box. Let's start with, I stopped doing like makeup hauls just because nowadays your 46-year-old girl is into skincare, and I realized that if you do invest your money on skincare, then it would make you use less makeup, I guess. But I still do use my CC cream, BB creams, tinted moisturizer and all. But I realized that if you want to have good skin, you don't need to like pile on a lot of makeups, I guess. So I've been watching a lot of skincare videos, and I'll put on the description box some of the YouTubers that actually help me to actually like concentrate on my skincare, because we're 46 years old. My god, all the things that I've done to my skin for the past years is like so I discovered, I know this has been in the industry for quite some time, but because of James Welsh is a YouTuber, and he was able to convince me to try some range in The Ordinary, and I started off with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, and it did wonders. If you want me to do a skincare explaining to you what are the ingredients and why they're good for you, let me know in the comment section below, because I do think that I would try to explain it to you guys as simple as possible. But I'm loving this range, and it's so freaking affordable. I mean, I don't need to spend like $40 for a serum, which, hello, they do have. I need to take. They do have a lot of. Anyways, I'm rambling. So let's talk about what I got. This is my second purchase of the hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. I purchased the smaller version, and it lasted me like 2 months. So I use it every night and in the morning. And this is the hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. Can Can you see it? No, Victoria, it would not focus. So I'll just insert pictures. B5, and it's 60 ml. I'll put the prices too so that you would not be, yeah. And the thing that I didn't thought that I would need in my skincare routine is the ordinary niacinamide 10% and plus zinc. So I think I need to open this because I'm already running out. That's the reason why I actually purchased. This is my second bottle, and it's like this. It's a plastic bottle, I guess, but I do love this. I use this at night. And something that I want to try, because I do heard or watch or read that to fight like anti-aging and all, you want to put like skin turnover, I guess, is the ordinary retinol 0.2 plus in squalane. This will be my first time trying this, and I'm so afraid that, because retinol, when you say retinol, I imagine like your face going to peel, flake, and I'm just scared. So this will be my first time. But what I like about the ordinary is they do have certain percentages, and 0.2 is the lowest one. So I guess this will work out for me. I would try this in a week's time because I just purchased moisturizer from Neutrogena, and I want to try that first and get how my skin would actually react to it, and then maybe in 1 to 2 weeks time I'll incorporate this to my skincare routine at night. I would try this maybe alternate days. I would not use this every day and see how it's going to react. And yeah, if you're interested in that video wherein I would talk about more ingredients, how it actually helps you or help me in particular, an old lady with oily face and all. And this, because I love their skincare, I'm going to try on their serum foundation. So again, I think this was like just 11 Sing dollars. Oh my goodness, for 11 Sing dollars. So I'm going to use this and see, because they do have like skincare benefits in them. And yeah, so I purchased the ordinary serum foundation, and I purchased in, hello Victoria, I can't find the 2.0 YG. Okay, and enough of the skincare. That's what I purchased from Beauty Bay. And the other thing that I purchased that I actually think I don't need, but I just wanted it, is, let's start with the eyebrows. I don't have any eyebrow products in me now, but I'm excited. This is my sister's fault, because she did tell me that you should buy the Anastasia eyebrow whisk, blah 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 blah. But if you buy it in Sephora, it's like $35. And then I saw in Beauty Bay, the Power Duo is the mini dip brow gel and the brow whisk. I have it in dark brown, so you already get the eye pencil and the brow gel, and it's just 25 Sing dollars. So it's a no-brainer. I have to buy it and try it. So we'll see whether for $25, I think it should be good, right? I heard so much about this product that I just have to try it for myself, and I said like, okay, $25 is not bad. I can part with my $25, even though I do have eyebrow pencils that cost less than this, and I can get a set also for just like 15 Sing dollars, like ColourPop, so, which I also love. And yeah, I'm excited to try this. And then I think this is because I've been loving Jeffree Star for the longest time, and I've always wanted to try his products, but it's so freaking expensive. But I gave in. I went in and purchased the Jeffree Star Cosmetics lip scrub, And is this? Oh my goodness. Because Beauty Bay do carry Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And then, I don't know why. I think I purchased this like for 30 Sing dollars. I think. Okay. It's the Magic Star Setting Powder in Beige. I wanted to try the translucent one, but it's out of stock. But Beige is... Okay, I saw that it's like... You know why I just bought this? Just because of the packaging. It's like, it's so pretty. Can you see that? Oh my goodness. I will try this tomorrow. I would use it tomorrow. This Monday. And it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. And this is really something that I don't need because I had tons and tons of mirrors. But I wanted it so bad. And it's like maybe $20, I guess, or 25, 26. It's okay, maybe it's $30. I'm not so sure, but again, I'll just put the product and the links and the prices in the description box, and I will put something here. But I'm so excited for this. Do you know what this is? Do you know? Do you know? Do you know? It's a freaking mirror. And I'm going to ruin my nails. I'm going to break my nails just to open it. Jeffree Star just launched, I think, but it's already out of stock, his mystery boxes. Again, I was late, but I know for Christmas he would still launch another mystery box. For sure, I'm going to get that. I hope. Because when I wanted to buy it, the medium box and the large box is already out of stock. And I don't want to spend like, you know, yeah. Anyways. And it's red. Can you see that? Oh my goodness. It's red. It's freaking red. Oh my god. Can you see that? Hi. I just love this. Oh my goodness. I don't even know why I need another mirror. You see that? You can see my mess, my lights, and all. See, hi. But yeah, it's heavy and sturdy. When I do my lipstick try on, swatch on videos, I'll be using this. It's plastic, and they also have the dual chromes and all, but I purchased this because it's red. Yeah, oh my goodness. And I almost threw this inside the box. Well, anyways, I love my purchases. Oh my god. I'm so excited. I love, love, love. There's so many makeup collections that's going to be launching. Tati Westbrook would be launching her first eyeshadow palette, which is under Tati Beauty on the 25th. And again, of course, I'm going to buy it. So I would try not to go inside any Sephora stores or go online, just because I want to save my money to buy Tati Westbrook's palette, Shane Dawson's makeup collection, and some of his merch. In case you don't know, his icon is a pig, and which is so adorable. I'm not a pink girl, but I would definitely buy the bag. But we'll see. So I'm rambling, and this video is like 15 minutes long. So yeah, if you do like this type of video, oh, by the way, I'll put what is this? I'll put all the items that I purchased on the description box with the link to Beauty Bay. And if you do want to purchase from them, they do ship internationally or overseas, if that makes sense. And yeah, some of their items are actually way affordable that when you go to Sephora and buy them. I do love, I just purchased the Ordinary skincare from them, and then when I saw that Jeffree Star Cosmetics is also there, I just have to. So have you tried Beauty Bay? If you did, let me know in the comment section below what is your favorite product that you want to buy for them. I love buying from Beauty Bay because yeah. Anyways, I have to end this video now. So if you like this type of video wherein I do unboxing videos or try-ons or whatnot, and you like to listen to a 46-year-old lady ramble, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I try to upload new videos, at least once a week, I guess. So, till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet.